SFTP and Python? Platform independent. I'm working on a simple tool that transfers files to a hard-coded location with the password also hard-coded. I'm a Python novice, but thanks to FPlib, it was easy. The problem is that I can't find any library that supports SFTP. What's the normal way to do something like this securely? Edit. Thanks to the answers here, I've gotten it working with Paramiko, and this was the syntax. Thanks again.
Paramiko supports SFTP. I've used it, and I've used Twisted. Both have their place, but you might find it easier to start with Paramiko.
You should check out PISP. This URL, it depends on Paramiko, but wraps most common use cases to just a few lines of code.
Here is a sample using PISP and a private key. PISP is an easy-to-use SFTP module that utilizes Paramiko and PyCrypto. It provides a simple interface to SFTP. Other things that you can do with PISP which are quite useful. More commands and about PISP here.
If you want easy and simple, you might also want to look at Fabric. It's an automated deployment tool like Ruby's Capistrano, but simpler and of course for Python. It's built on top of Paramiko. You might not want to do automated deployment, but Fabric would suit your use case perfectly nonetheless. To show you how simple Fabric is, the fab file and command for your script would look like this, not tested, but 99% sure it will work. fab_putfile.py. Then run the file with the fab command. And you're done. Smile.
This is the server 3.